Hello, everybody! 안녕하십니까, 신유 tanan! Nihao moshi moshi shite samda tadahimashita wa ni shashe. So welcome po pankapamakap namaste. Welcome once again to One World Reacts, when we talk and we react to all things PLGL, LGBTQ+ related, with us and splash of K-pop, B-pop, and C-pop here and there. And whether y'all watching this side on YouTube or my Patreon, welcome back for seeing you lahat. We're going to be continuing our reactions to one of the hottest Pinoy BLs in town. And this is our reaction to episode 6 of Sashes and Hearts. Yay! Because in the last episode, the last episode, the preparations for Mr. Universe Royale continue as Jack, Thomas, Jin, and Jarrett are continuing their preparations. Since we met like one of the coaches or one of the instructors in the competition during episode 4, I believe, things are starting to not go well towards Jin, which is why Jarrett is there to the rescue as usual. But because Jin is really feeling a lot of things towards Jarrett now, things are getting a little bit more interesting towards them. And you know what? Good for them. Meanwhile, Jack is still onto the midst of debts because he really needs to pay a lot for his family, especially that his family still needs money for the hospital bills and other bills that they have to pay for. And Lemuel is continuously exploiting Jack on all terms possible and getting all of that cash money. So we left up on the last episode with Jack getting sexually exploited to, I guess, a business owner that is in his old age for free without any talent fee involved. So we have to be wary of that. So we will see how things are gonna turn out in this episode. I do hope he doesn't get really exploited and that Jack will be very much aware of what Lemuel is doing because it's really not giving, y'all. It's not giving, but unfortunately it is getting normalized. So let's see how they're gonna resolve this in this episode. Wala patagalin, I'm excited, I'm intrigued. Let's continue our reactions to one of the hottest Pinoy BLs in town. Because this, once again, episode 6 of Sashes and Hearts.
It was a big opportunity for you, Jack.
Hindi sana sinabi mo. Namamanyakin akong taong yun.
Bakit kung sinabi ko, papapayag ka, ha?
Siyempre hindi.
See? Without Aaron, kahit manalo ka, if manalo ka, kulang pa yung cash price para pambayad mo sa utang mo sa akin.
Excuse
Bakit?
me.
Magkano ba?
Ha? Iisa-isahin ko pa ba, ha, Jack? Yung hotel, yung costumes mo, yung joining fee, ako lahat ang nagbayad doon. Kulang-kulang 1 milyon yun. Jack, as your manager, as someone na kilala ka for a long time,
Excuse
ito ang
me.
sasabihin ko sa'yo.
Do not give me that long time card.
May mga bagay na gagawin ka. Kung gusto mo talagang umangat sa buhay, may mga bagay kang gagawin na mahihirapan ka sa umpisa. Kailangan mong humawak sa patalim. In short, kailangan mong ipahawak ang patalim mo sa iba.
Excuse me.
Yan ang hindi ko gagawin.
Ikaw bahala. But you need Aaron. He will give you free facials, free body treatment, as long as you treat his body right.
Mahal ko kung sino ako. At hindi ko kailangan yung doc na yan.
He should be needing that.
Hanap ako ibang paraan para mabayaran ka.
Also, why he's always in depth with him?
Smack? Or laplatan? O with tongue? Ganon?
Ate, bibig mo naman.
Parang bibig ko pa masama ah. Tsaka walang masama sa bibig ko. Ngipin ko lang ang wala. Kaya, ikaw wag ka nagsisinungaling sa akin ah.
Pero ate, huwag kang maingi kay Madam Sarah.
Ay, oo naman. Siyempre, support naman kita dyan. Basta happy ang love life mo, okay na ako dun.
Yun nangyaring yun. Hindi naman talaga kiss eh. Nag-kiss pero lasing siya nun. Parang sabi ko, tara, gawin mo to. Kala niya, niyaya ko siya mag-kiss, kaya kinis niya ako. Kaya di ko rin alam kung totoo ba yun kasi lasing siya.
Ayun. Ayun naman pala eh. Ba't ngayon mo lang inaamin sa akin? Hindi sana kung inamin mo sa akin noon, edi naintindihan kita. Di ba? Huwag ka mag-alala. Secret is a secret. Okay?
Okay.
You think you're faster than me? Of course. I have bigger legs than your skinny ass.
Not his skinny
Yeah, I know.
ass.
Can I ask you a question? What now? So tell me, are you always a bully? What? You're gonna lecture me now? Gym's a weird place for therapy, Jack.
Not
No,
a
I'm
weird
serious.
place.
You always push people. You ever notice how no one picks on the guy who walks in the room like he owns the place? Yeah? So that's the trick. You act like nothing can touch you, like you're invincible. And people stop looking for cracks. That's not strength, bro. That's a mask. Maybe, but you don't know what it's like to grow up feeling invincible. Or
Invincible.
worse, like the world only sees you like as a target. If I'm the bully, I am not the prey.
Okay.
Simple math. And
Okay,
what about the
Daniel.
people that you hurt? They don't. I know that. But when you're trying to survive, you don't always think about the damage you leave behind. You just keep running. Bro, you're not running from the people. You're running from yourself. I know that. Maybe. But stopping, that's the hard part.
Well, they had some serious talk over there in the treadmill. In the treadmill, out of all places.
Sarap ng pagkain. Busog ako sobra.
O, buti naman napatawad ka na ni Jack.
Do not do that ever again.
Text ko sa kanya.
Toroy, hindi ka nakahandi.
Ganun kadami yung tinext ko sa kanya.
Effort, Pero, tignan mo naman yung effort mo. Goods. Is ka na nun. Pabebe lang yun.
Sure ba?
Sure na sure.
Speaking of effort.
Effort, really.
Happy birthday.
Saan talaga yan?
Oo naman, check mo.
Ako nang babawiin ko.
Hindi ko na. Sige na, check mo. Gustuhan mo yan.
Nox naman. Pero bakit cross din naman ako religious?
T kasi yan. T for Tony.
No, but not yet eating.
Sweet mo naman. Lagay mo na.
The food is not yet prepared. Ipahanda.
Dahan-dahan kasi. Ang gaslaw mo naman.
Siyempre. Saan lang ako nagka-gift eh.
Plus the fact that we have food in front of the screen.
Di ba, bagay mo? Galing ko talaga mamili.
Buti pa ikaw. Naalala mo.
Bakit? Si Jack ba? Huwag mo nang isipin yun. Alam mo naman yung mga pinagdadaanan nun, di ba? Okay lang yan. Huwag mo nang isipin yun. Okay? Tindihin mo na lang.
Aww. We love Thomas' efforts. Aww. Happy birthday,
Okay, saan
bitch.
gusto mong i-blow?
Hoy! Shush! Keep quiet.
Happy birthday.
Kuya, tap ako sa school.
Ay, wow, ang galing naman ng bunso na yan.
Ito naman si kuya, syempre mana ako sa'yo eh.
Oh, kamusta pala yung field trip mo?
Hindi ako makakasama kuya.
Ha? Bakit?
Marami pa daw bayarin sabi ni tita eh.
Sige.
Not the bills
kausapin ko si tita,
again.
magpapadala ako.
Okay lang nga kuya, next year na lang ako makakasama.
Oh, seryoso ka ba?
Okay lang ako kuya, basta umuwi ka na lang dito after ng pageant mo ah.
Sige. Mag-ingat kayo dyan ha. Miss ko na kayo.
Salamat kuya, basta mamaya manonood kami ng interview mo ni tita. Siguro maraming manonood nun, mga 10 million.
Basta i-comment mo ha. Kuya ko ang pinaka-pogi sa lahat.
Aww.
Kuya naman, di ba masama magsinungaling?
Uy, grabe ka naman.
Joke lang kuya. Basta good luck dyan sa pageant mo ah. Bye-bye!
Miss you.
Bye-bye.
Jack! Gulat na gulat?
Kanina po kasi ako lang pogi dito eh. Ngayon, dalawa na tayo.
Asus! Excited ka na ba sa one-on-one natin?
Paano one-on-one?
One-on-one interview lang naman. Ikaw naman. Anyway, kamusta ka ba?
Actually po, kinakabahan talaga ako eh. Baka mablangko po ako.
Huwag kang mag-alala. Relax ka lang dahil simple lang naman yung mga tanong ko sa'yo mamaya. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so live na tayo ha. And alright. So guys, we're live at kasama natin ngayon si Jack.
Hi guys.
Ayan. At of course, syempre, narito yung acting mga katanungan. Jack, may napatunayan ka na ba?
Opo naman. Actually po, di naman po sukatan ang sash at awards kung may napatunayan ka na sa
Although
buhay.
he's just recording the video.
If you're willing to
Not
strive to
live.
yourself to become better version and to help other people po.
Very well said. Speaking of mga awards, marami ng mga nakukuhang mga awards ang Mr. Universe Royal History. Balak mo bang dagdagan?
Siyempre naman po, yun po yung lagi kong pinaghihirapan at lagi ko pong pinagdarasal.
Ooh, ano naman ang mga kaya mong gawin para makuha ang corona?
Whatever it takes po, gagawin ko.
Okay.
I don't know how to feel about like whatever it takes. Are you sure that you can sacrifice yourself and like something just to, we'll see.
Jack! Ang daming likes ng interview mo. Tingnan mo. Congratulations, Jack.
Thank you po, Miss Pawi. Kaso, dami rin po palang haters sa comment, no?
Ano ka ba
Ah,
naman? Hindi ka ba nasanay? Kahit ka marami kang haters at saka bashers, marami pa rin namang mga nagmamahal sa'yo. Dahil, you're so authentic. Tingnan mo.
Thank you po,
Okay?
Miss Pawi, ha?
Oh, basta galingan mo lang, ha? Ayan, oh, ang dami-daming likes. Nakakatuwa. Oh.
Uy! Dumagdag po yung followers ko.
Nako, mas dadami pa yan. Kiss mo ako. Para, nako, dadami pa talaga yan. Ay, nako, galingan mo, ha? Oh, anyway, Jack, marami pa akong gagawin, so mauna na muna ako. Okay?
Sige po, ingat po.
Alright.
He's really kind. Even he can even give kiss to kind gays.
Uy, Besh, thank you ha. Buti na lang pumunta ka. Kasi ito last minute na lang palagi nagpapagawa to
Di ba nagsabi ako sa'yo, darating ako?
Ewan ko
Ikaw
sa'yo.
naman.
Hindi ka naman nagbabayad.
Uy, sabi ko sa'yo, transfer ko
Ewan,
Judge ka
buraot.
masyado.
Sa'yo.
Ako okay lang.
Trust mo lang naman yung daliri ko.
Wala naman akong ginagawa. Tsaka, kailangan umalis ako kahit birthday ko.
Birthday na ngayon?
Narinig ko.
Kantahan natin, be.
Kakantahan ka namin ha.
Birthday na ni Tony! Birthday na ni Tony!
Birthday! Tony! Ngayon! Get out!
Sex from Tony!
Yes, we love the sex.
Tingnan mo itong buraot na. Tapos,
We love the sex bomb.
Buti pa kayo naalala nyo yung
wala yun.
Sabi mo
best friend ko, di man niya lang naalala. Yayayain ko nga sana lumabas. May tickets ako for Enchanted Kingdom.
Ako na lang
Pero
sama
busy.
mo. Ako na lang. Free ako ngayon.
Uy, hindi ka kasali sa
Bigay ko na lang sa'yo yung tickets, ha?
Ay, talaga?
Oo, baka para hindi naman sayang.
Baka nga makisali.
Sa kanya na, ikaw naman. Hindi ka na nga nagbayad sa gawa namin sa'yo.
Sa akin na lang. Hiya mo na. Huwag ka na magdrama.
Gusto ko pa sanang umamin sa kanya sa Enchanted.
Hala.
Oh.
Umamin na. Bet mo siya?
Ate, hindi ka magaganyan. Kasi hindi ka naman jowa, kaya hindi niya maaalala ang birthday mo.
Pero 'di ba kahit naman best friend niya ako for 10 years.
10 years.
Basta hayaan niyo na siya.
So, hindi na matutuloy ang party-party mo.
Wala nang party-party. Maglalakad-lakad ako,
Girl.
ako mag-isa mamaya.
Ay,
Tayo na lang. Sumama na lang tayo sa kanya.
sinabi huwag ka makisali. Hindi ka na nga nagbabayad eh.
Palakit ko masyado.
Tony, gusto mo sumama ka na lang sa akin?
Hindi na nga.
Pupunta ako kay Ma'am Sarah, magpapa-make up. Sama ka na lang.
Busy ako.
Ben, napapahigpit, be. Hindi na ako makahinga.
Sige.
Sige na mamaya na ako nang bahala sa sarili ko.
Also, it's not Jack's responsibility to remember his birthday. It's really on 68.
Last two.
69.
Nice one.
Na.
Hinay ka lang, pre.
It's really on 69.
Ba't ganyan ka mag-spot, pre?
Hindi pre, ganun talaga. Muntikan ka na nga eh.
Baliw.
Ay, problema ka ba?
Lutang ina.
Ako gusto mo katingin ah.
Malaki.
Ha?
Wala pre. Galing mo, lakas mo.
Sakit ng shoulder ko talaga ngayon, pre. Sa shoulder mo, pre? Oh.
Puta ka.
Parang may dumbbell ka dyan, pre. Katigis naman yan.
Hindi. Masayos ko ng shoulder mo. Sakit pre.
Pre, yan. Tama.
Gays and their boner addicts.
Sumakab mo na. Kakatapos ko mag-chest.
Yeah.
Shoulder.
Shoulder.
Back siguro.
Box.
Parang kita mo pa talaga dito.
To. Oh. Gulo mo, pre ah.
Shoot, ang kalat.
Baba.
Ang kalat natin, akla. Hoy. Kalat natin tumaas.
Ano ba masayos sa'yo pre? Chest
Is-
mo. Sakit ba?
Oo, oh, sakit rin chest ko eh.
Sakit sa harap. Sige, harap mo sa'yo. Masayos na rin yung chest mo.
Okay lang. Oo naman.
Shoot.
Dati akong masayos na sa Baguio eh.
Ay, talaga. Excuse me.
Oh, shit.
Harap na ako.
Oo, pre.
Parang ako lang.
Sige, hard mo pa, pre.
Hard ko pa.
Oo.
Lord God, heavenly.
Hard mo, pre. Sige pa.
Hindi pa ito pre. May mas iha-hard pa to. Gusto mo, libat tayong ibang pesto.
Uy! Chuta, dyan pa kayo nagkakalat. Literally on a fucking gym. Wow. And this is what you call best friends? Best friends, huh? Best friends. Very best friends, I will say. Very messy best friends. Ah, poor Tony though. Poor Tony. Also, again, sorry, Tony.
Ano eh, nasa bahay ako pero kakauwi ko lang galing pa dyan. Medyo pagod ako. Obla? Pasok.
Oh, it's just Jim.
Ah, wait lang. Tawagan kita mamaya. Oh. Free ka ba sa araw ngayon? Gusto ko sana may pagkita sa mga friends ko, kaso ayaw ko payagan ni Mami.
Wow! May nakakapagpigil pa rin pala sa'yo, no?
Konting oras na lang. Matatapos na rin to.
Okay.
Alam mo, may sinabi sa akin si Yaya. May nabalitaan ako. Sabi niya, may sinesearch ka daw. Ang nakalagay, Top 10 of how joining in pageantry. Ano yun?
Bakit? Threatened ka ba?
Why would we be threatened in you?
Ako? Nag-threaten? Bring it on.
Bring it on, bitch!
Talo ka.
This freaking gays. Hey! 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 Doon tayo dyan, bro. Butul.
Madam, sasama ba ngayon si Jean sa event mo? Eh, di ba wala naman silang activities today?
Ayaw niyang sumama eh. Pero I told him, hindi rin siya pwedeng sumama sa friends niya. Kaya, bahala siya sa life niya.
Oo na, ma'am. Di na nga ako sama sa mga friends ko eh.
Good!
Madam, meron kasing binigay sa akin na ticket si Tony sa,
Akin na nga.
Enchanted. Sisend ko na lang sa'yo.
Send mo sa akin.
Send ko na lang, oo.
Ma'am, pwede naman kami pumunta ni Jared sa Enchanted, no?
Jared, babantayan mo anak ko?
Opo, ma'am. Babantayan ko po si Jean doon.
Oh my God! Winner!
Winner?
Shit. Libre Enchanted Kingdom. Ang dami kong gustong sakyan. Lalo na yung drop tower. Sabi nila ang ganda doon ng view doon sa taas eh. Tapos yung roller coaster. Tapos yung... Ang dami. Excited na akong... Ikaw ba, Jin?
Ay, hindi tayo pupunta sa Enchanted, okay?
At bakit?
Makikipag-meet up ako sa friends ko.
Eh kung ganun, uuwi na lang ako. Kasama na lang ako kay Ate Cheesy.
Hindi pwede.
Bakit?
Baka nakakalimutan mo. Niligtas kita kay Francis.
Guy, you do not owe him anything. He doesn't owe you anything either.
Mo din. Hindi naman kita pinilit gawin yun, no? Tsaka kung hindi tayo pupunta ngayon sa Enchanted Kingdom, uuwi na lang ako. Kasama na lang ako kay Ate Cheesy.
Hindi pwede yun. Sasama ka sa akin.
Kasama? Gusto mo? Isumbong kita kay tita?
Okay. Sama na ako sa'yo. Ano ang cellphone mo? Mag-awak.
At sinong kaibigan yung sasamahan mo?
Oo na. Enchanted na. Tara.
We'll see about that. We'll see. I thought though that my footage got cut because of that fucking notification sound.
Ang ganda dito, no? By the way, napunta ka na dito?
Maraming beses na. Yung bata pa ako.
Buti ka pa. Ako, first time ko dito eh.
Para kang bata.
Para kang bata. Oo naman, kids at heart ako. No?
Lakas naman na.
Tara na.
Naalala ko pa nung ako'y mag-isa, gumawa ng tahanan dito sa dilim. Malamig ang gabi, tila walang hanggan, ngunit hindi ko alam, darating ka rin. Walang ilaw, mga bituin nagtatago. Sa bawat hakbang hirap ay nariyan. Ikaw dumating di inaasahan. Bigla mong liwanag sinundihan. Sa madilim na daan, ikaw ang liwanag. Tahanan ko'y iyong binuhay. Nahanin na gaan, pag-ibig na tunay. Sa bawat hakbang kasama kita.
Bah. Don't worry, I've already went to Enchanted before, like this amusement park, and it was fun. Although it's been a while since I went into that place. It's just a bit far from me, and the transportation is a little difficult when going there.
Ginabi ka na.
Wala din naman akong ginagawa. At saka, I enjoy your company, so mas mabuting andito na ako kesa pag-alagala dyan sa labas.
Shit naman. Kung wala akong magigip sa'yo na cash ha, alam mo naman yung status namin
Okay
ngayon.
lang. Ikaw
Pero
naman.
meron ako ditong ano.
Ay,
Ayan, meron akong catedral dito. Ito yung
nag-awala ka
inaano
pa.
ko sa live ko.
Original ba to?
Ay, oo naman. Beshi-beshi na tayo ngayon. So, anong plano?
Ayun. Hindi naman ako nagmamadali.
So, ayaw mo pang i-go si Jack? Kasi ako na lang mag-go. Una na kita.
Huwag naman, nahan mo pa ako eh.
Sabi ko na sa'yo eh. So, ano? Paano naman yung puso mo?
Ang priority ko ngayon, work. Para naman may katching.
Buti ka pa.
Ay, wait lang.
Good for
si Jack.
him.
Si Jack.
Huwag mo na may. Oh, hello, Bes. Ha? Emergency?
Uy, bakit?
Wait lang.
Uy,
Puntahan ko si Jack.
ano nangyari?
Emergency daw.
Uy, yung
Mamaya na.
Tingnan mo to. Ginip-gip pa naman kita. Tapos di mo naman isasama.
Sorry.
Hala ka dyan.
Bes, anong nangyari? Anong emergency?
Hindi, Bes. Papapiliin sana kita eh. Black? Or white?
Ha?
Kailangan ko si pumili eh. Pang date.
Ayan yung emergency mo, damit?
Oo.
Tangina.
Yung puti.
Thank you. Uy, Bes. Uy, saan ka pupunta?
Pinapunta mo ako para mamili ng damit sa araw ng birthday ko na kinalimutan mo?
I forgot. He completely forgot it.
10 taon. 10 taon, oh. Na tayo magkakilala. Kinalimutan mo yung birthday ko? Tapos emergency? Papapiliin mo ko ng damit?
Okay, doesn't owe
Pang-date?
anything.
Bes.
Jack naman. Isang araw lang. Isang araw lang.
Bes.
Isang araw lang yung hinihingi ko sa'yo.
Bes.
Pwede ba maging sa'kin naman?
Happy birthday.
Bago ka talaga.
Ala. Keep ko sa'yo.
All of the drama for what?
Oo.
All of the tears for what, Tony?
Yung birthday ko.
Hindi. Actually, kaya kita pinapapili kasi ang date natin.
Ako pa talaga.
Gagaw!
Naku.
Gaga.
Nakakalimutan ko. Birthday ng best friend ko.
But confession might go wrong.
Please no. Surprise ka pa kasi.
Bilisan mo ah. Magputi ka. Para couple tayo.
I am sorry, Tony, in advance. I apologize.
Sige, hintayin kita.
I will apologize for the damages that will be done.
Nga pala, sino nagtala sa'yo dito sa AK dati?
Yung dad ko.
Dad mo?
Oo.
Nasaan na pala yung dad mo?
Nasa heaven.
Yung gago kong tatay na yun. Nasa Thailand na.
Ay, that's right.
Gusto niya daw kasing magstay sa Thailand para kumita ng malaking pera. Pero bago niya ako iwanan, sinabi niya sa akin na wala akong mararating.
Alam mo, ikaw, nag-quit ka ng mechanical engineering. Maganda sana yung magiging future mo doon, building cars, like me. Pero tinapon mo lang. Para saan? For your stupid art. Trust me, Jin. That will never take you anywhere.
Never.
Kaya, ngayon, gusto ko ipamukha sa kanila na pag nanalo ako sa pageant na to, may mararating ako. Pati sa mom ko, may maipapamukha ko.
Grabe pala, no? Tama pala ng tatay mo.
Yeah. So, tangi, no?
Teka, wag naman sa akin. Ikaw, kamusta kayo ng tatay mo?
Tatay ko?
Oo.
Ito, pinamaltrato ako ng tatay ko at inaabuso. Kaya ayun, umalis ako ng bahay. Alam mo yung kanta ni Glock 9 na Serena?
Oh.
Para sa akin ata yung kanta na yun eh. Pero hanggang second verse lang. Kasi hindi na umabot sa point na humingi ng tawad yung tatay ko. Kaya ngayon, dito ako kaya Chelsea.
Serena is everyone's
Lumayas yung tatay mo?
gay national anthem in the
Umalis ako
Philippines.
sa bahay kasi si
telling you.
Papa, tatay ko, nalulong sa alak.
The message of it is just very real.
Grabe yung
Go listen to it.
sa akin. Kaya,
if you haven't.
Pumuloy ako kay TGC. Na ngayon, kailangan ko siyang tulungan para sa pambayad ng renta ng tinutuluyan namin.
Akala ko madrama na yung buhay ko.
Di ba?
Mas madrama pa pala.
Winner!
Winner! Winner, chicken dinner.
If kailangan mo talaga ng pera, sabihan mo lang ako.
Jean, hindi ako nang lilimos, okay?
Hindi naman nanglilimos yun eh. I mean, hindi mo kasi kailangan sundin yung mom ko.
Kailangan ko siyang tulungan at siyempre ikaw, kailangan din kita tulungan para umayos ka. Kaya ngayon sa pageant, dito ako babawi kahit na anong mangyari. Para tulong ko kay Ate Chasey at siyempre matulungan kita at lalo yung mama ko.
Parehas pala natin gusto manalo sa pageant eh. So, may the best man win?
May the best man win. Dapat na mag-firework.
May fireworks?
Oo. Ano ba? Maganda dito nga sa EK.
Oo, lagi ko alam.
Oh!
Aww. Aww. They're just keeping it real and genuine, which is why I love these two so fucking much. They're just keeping it real and genuine to the people and the people at the back. Anyways, going down to the last part. Last technology check. Let's go. With the beef sirloin and everything, yes. Oh.
Uy, thank you, Bes, ha. Bala ka pa talaga. Hindi mo naman sinabi sa akin na dito mo ako dadalhin sa Tia Bella. Sana nakapag-prepare man lang ako.
Bakit ko sasabihin? Hindi na naging surprise yun. Ikaw talaga.
Namo.
The best. Salamat ha.
Alam nga naman. Basta ikaw.
I mean, thank you. Dahil ikaw na lang yung tao nandyan lagi para sa akin.
Bang wala ka pang jowa, ako muna magpapakita sa'yo kung paano ka dapat itrato.
Ay, he will be getting the wrong idea. Poor Tony. Poor Tony. Tony, my dear.
Jean. Oh, thank you ah. Ayun, thank you sa pagsama sa akin dito. Kahit na labag sa loob mo na samahan ako sa mga rides.
Kung di mo lang talaga ako'y susumbong kay ma'am.
Hindi mo lang talaga ako susumbong kay ma'am, pero nakita ko, nakangiti ka. Parang ikaw pa yung mas masaya sa akin nung sumakay tayo ng rides eh.
Wow! Kala mo naman eh. Pero, thank you. Thank you, Jared. Kasi, hindi ko akalaing ma-enjoy ko yung pagpunta ko dito. Before, ito yung last memory ko with my dad. Pero, parang ngayon, napalitan yun. We made a lot of memories here. Pero, thank you. Oh, ito nga pala.
Uy, totoo ba to? Hello? Di ko na-expect na bibiliin mo talaga to. Salamat ah. Ang cute.
Oh, masyado ka na masaya. Pagod ka na ba? Nagutom ka na ba?
Yeah, gugutom na nga ako eh. Kanina pa tayo dito palakad-lakad at sakay ng mga rides. Kain muna tayo.
Tara.
Tara. Paano ba dapat ako itrato?
Siyempre, papahalagahan ka. Mamahalin ka.
Ay.
Tsaka, hindi ka iiwan.
I feel bad for Tony. Oh my God.
Kung paano mo ako itrato?
Ganun na nga. O kaya, pag may nanligaw sa'yo dapat dumaan mo na sa akin. Para makita ko, kung swak kayo.
Pati na lang ikaw.
Hi!
Huh?
Pati na lang tayo.
Sorry, Tony. Expect the heartbreak.
Sakit ng tiyan ko.
Sakit ng tiyan ko. Eh, ang dami mo kanina na hotdog eh. Pero hindi sasakit yan.
Ikaw nga nagpasakay sa akin sa roller coaster.
Eh di sorry.
Pasensya pala, parang hindi kita mapapag-drive pa uwi.
Okay lang. Kukumute na lang pa uwi.
What if dito ka nalang matulog?
Naku, hindi na.
Natulog ka naman na dito dati
Eh, nakakahiya nga kay madam. Lagi na lang ako natutulog dito.
Ako bahala sa'yo. Dito ka na matulog.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it's already late.
Seryoso ka ba? Pinaprank mo ba ako?
No. No, no, no.
Yes. Ano ba tayo? Ano ba ako sa'yo? Nandito na ako dyan.
It's all one-sided though.
Mga ginagawa mong ganito. Mabait ka lang ba sa akin? May gusto ka. May gusto ka.
Sorry.
10 taon, Jack.
Sorry, Tony. I feel bad for Tony.
Gusto kita, Jack. Gusto mo ba ako? Bes. Sorry. Sige nga. Paliwanag mo nga sa makitid kong utak na hindi ko ginagamit. Sabi mo kung nai-inlove ako, kung bakit di mo ako gusto.
Oh.
Best friend kita. Halos pamilya na ngayon turing ko sa'yo eh. Mahal kita bilang kaibigan.
Oh.
Pwede naman nating i-try. Subukan lang natin, Jack.
Go, you're gonna hurt yourself even more, bestie.
Talaga ito yung gusto ko.
Sorry, Tony.
Dahil ba? Hindi ako katulad ni Thomas.
Which, by the way, they haven't made official things yet. Oh, God, no.
Ganito ako?
Oh, no. No, not because you're fair. No.
Hindi bullshit na sinasabi mong tanggap mo ko. Na dapat respeto ako ng mga tao. Hindi applicable sa'yo yun?
Oh, brother. Really got the wrong signals.
Naalala mo naman, diba, Bes? Nakilala kita bilang Antonio. Ayos, sabay pa nga tayo naliligo eh. Nakita ko pa yung... Hindi yun nga yun.
What did you just say?
Kung mag-bullshit ka pang sinasabi na tanggap mo ko. Pero yun.
What did you just say?
Hindi mo ko lubos na tanggap, Jack.
Yeah.
Ayun yung sinisigaw ng puso't isip mo.
Ay, go, Jack.
Alam ko, iba ka. Pero pare-pareho lang pala kayo. Best mo mukha mo.
You fucked it up, Jack. Why did you say you bet him as Antonio? She's not Antonio anymore. He's Tony. Antonio, oh my God.
Bakit ayaw mo kasi dito? Maluwag naman.
Yeah.
Okay na ako dito, no? Tsaka, tignan mo yung ilaw mo dito sa baba. Di mo ba pinapatay yan? Sakit-sakit sa mata.
Sanay ako matulog ng may nightlight.
Patayin mo na. Sige na. Ngayon lang din naman eh.
Bala ka. Kwarto ko to. Ako masusunod.
Okay, fine.
Ayaw mo talaga dito?
Okay na ako dito. Wala ka dyan. Tulog ka na.
Parang isang panaginip.
Dahil sa'yo'y naniniwala kong sa mundong to
Bakit ka nandito?
Ikaw na nga.
Bawal ba?
At this point, they're really taking it over.
Isang romantic drama.
They're taking over the series more than the best. I am sorry, Tony.
Sa aking palad, nakasulat na ikaw na nga. Lalakarin ko ang bawat hakbang kasama ka. Tatapatin ang oras na mabilis at ibabalik. Grabe ka. Feeling ko
parang pelikula. At ikaw ang leading man.
Dahil lang sa paraiso ko tong buhay, ikaw lang ang nakahanap. Sipak. Dahil sa'yo, hindi ko inisip ang parang kim-kim ng pagkainis sa mundong to na mapaglaro. At ikaw na
They're really in love with each other. Where are we?
So, you two had a good time last night?
Yeah,
Bakit naman ganun ang ginawa ni Jack? Ayos-ayos ang usapan natin.
Napili ka to walk at the Mala Peralta Fashion Show.
You really think you have what it takes to be a runway model?
Huwag kang mag-alala. Matitikman mo siya. At maraming papasok sa aking anda.
I am stressed with Lamuel. Like, fuck this old gay man. Fuck this old man who doesn't even think of his people. Whatever. Anyways, that is that. That is all my reactions to episode 6 of Sashes and Hearts. Okay, let's talk a little bit about Jack and Tony in this episode. I also got disappointed by how Jack treated Tony this episode, especially with what he said. I met you as Antonio. I even saw your dick. But he got the wrong signal. Because I feel for Tony because he is seeking. He thought that he was really accepted by Jack a lot. Not because of him becoming Antonio, but as Tony, since he's more femme and everything. Which, by the way, salute to all of the femmes out there. I thought he thought of him that he's very accepted. So when he heard those words right from his mouth, it didn't go well. Plus the fact that he really got all of those mixed signals. Like, that is what is kind of wrong towards Tony's side, is that he thought of those movements, he thought of those actions that Jack did as like him being romantically in love with him, when I get where Jack is also coming from. Like, that is just how he treats his bestie. That's his bestie for 10 years. Unfortunately, to Tony, it blossomed even further. So it created a whole lot of misunderstanding, in which as much as I feel for Jack, I also feel even worse for Tony, because that is what he felt. And his feelings are valid. His feelings are valid that he really fell in love with Jack. He really thought that those actions practically mean something romantic. So I really feel for Tony and how he reacted, why he is that pissed towards Jack. Because if he talks to me like that, I might also get pissed. The disrespect is really out of the corner. It's getting blatant, and so I really understand where Tony's coming from. But I can think of this whole situation as just like a misunderstanding. I don't think Antonio, Jack meant it that way. Maybe it's just that because he is getting too comfy to Thomas. He can now treat similarly on how he treats Thomas to how he should be treating Tony. So that is what Jack needs to fix on, how he should be treating his people, most especially Tony, since he really got those mixed signals, you know. So I am interested on how he is gonna resolve this whole situation, because damn, it really didn't go the long way ahead, and I understand Tony a lot in this episode. It's really sad. It's really sad for him, but it's also kind of wrong for him to like think about it. But if you're really in love, you will really understand him. So I understand him. So I do hope they get to sort things out in the next episode. And yeah, like towards Jin and Jarrett, like they're really getting official. Like they're getting more and more committed. We can already tell that Jin is really getting emotionally invested towards Jarrett, as much as Jarrett is really giving all of his time and efforts to give Jin what he wants. So I love the fact that they are now in the same wavelength, in the same frequency, and that they're really going all in. So, yeah, I'm really, really curious to see how they're gonna take the relationship further in the next episode. And towards Jack and Thomas, they better fix things as well because they're getting too horny. But, yeah, I want Jack to fix his issue with Tony first before he can commit himself to Thomas, because it might affect everyone else in the household. So we'll see. We'll see how everything will turn out in the next episode, how things are going to turn well, how Daniel is also going to be affecting this entire situation. Will Daniel take care of Tony or so? Will there be something between them? We'll just see how everything will turn out in the next episode. But that'll be all for now. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed my reaction to episode 6 of Sashes and Hearts with yours truly. Whether you are watching this ad on YouTube or my Patreon. If you guys have this video, give us a huge thumbs up for our heart and tell me your thoughts about this episode. Do you guys like it? Do you guys enjoyed it? What are your thoughts about the episode? Let me know over in the comment section below. Pag-usapan natin yan. And I hope to see y'all on episode 7 of Sashes and Hearts with yours truly, along with the current MVL Shields and RV content. So stick around and stay tuned. With that being said, so to speak, thank you all so much for watching and see y'all again next time. Bye-bye! Maraming salamat!